EBET stock is up 70% today, and I think it could go even higher in the days to come. So as we can see, EBET is up 61% at this moment. It's been much higher today. I think at one point it was actually up at 150% in the green, but obviously what comes up must come down, especially when it goes up by 100%, 150% in a day. So this is going to be mostly because of a short squeeze, and we're going to be talking about that short squeeze in this video. But we're also going to be talking about technical analysis, so stick around till the end of the video if you want to hear about all that. But first, let's talk about what EBET is, just in case you don't know. It's going to be a technology company creating and operating platforms focused on esports and competitive gaming. It operates a licensed online gambling platform, GoGoWe.com, that offers real money betting on esports events and professional sports around the world in a secure environment. And obviously it was founded on September 24th, 2020 and is headquartered in Las Vegas, Nevada. And yeah, so that's kind of what we're dealing with. They have 37 employees. Their market cap is about 27 million. So this is a stock that can be easily manipulated by the bigger players, obviously not by us. This is not investing advice. I'm not telling you to invest in EBET. I'm just bringing you guys the news. But this can be easily manipulated. If someone with big money wants to get in, then you can easily get this stock to go up. I'm not telling you guys to buy it, just saying that it is possible to happen. If a short squeeze were to occur, this could actually not be that hard to short squeeze. But yeah, if you guys don't know, gambling is a pretty good space to be getting into right now, just considering it's not available in a lot of places. And as gambling becomes available in a lot more states in the United States, then we are going to see a lot of increase in all different types of gambling companies, such as DraftKings, FanDuel. I don't know if they're public. I don't think they are. EBET, anything in the gambling sphere, they're going to be going up. And real quick, before we get into the rest of the video, I just want to mention that you guys can join our Discord and get a free week of our premium services for our buy and sell alerts with the first link in the description. If you guys want to do that, then you guys can get all of our buy and sell alerts. You can see we got a 60% gainer, 50% gainer, 15, 25. We're absolutely killing it recently. So if you guys want to do that, then go ahead and join with the first link in the description. But yeah, getting into the rest of the video, StockTwits is a site that I use to monitor the best and most active stocks on the stock market. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I just use it. You can see what the most trending stocks are. One of them is going to be MSGM, which is going to be another betting site. Most active, you can see that these are the most active stocks, but the most added to watch lists, you can see here EBET is on this list. So they were the 6th most added to watch list, obviously because they went up by so much. But yeah, it was one of the top percent gainer stocks today. So it's being talked about a lot, and I'm assuming it's going to continue to be talked about a lot going into the future. So not only is there good sentiment around gambling just because of other states starting to let people gamble once again, but there was also this interesting thing to see. EBET has 11 days to cover basically a short position. So you can see here they have about 75K in a short position, and their free float on their loan is 11, and they have 1.36 million shares on loan and only 11 days to cover. So the fact that the price of EBET just went up by so much, we could possibly see a short squeeze here in the next 11 days. Obviously, if it gets closer to the day and they're not going to be making any money, they could start covering their short position, and that will thus make EBET go up even more in price. So that's something to be watching there. Good catch, avocado smash. But yeah, just the fact that EBET went up by so much, as long as it doesn't come falling back to earth, we could see another short squeeze here in the next coming days. But yeah, also I just want to mention something else. EBET is very good with branding. If you guys don't know or aren't into fighting, Bare Knuckle Fighting Championship is a new up and coming MMA organization where they fight with just their bare knuckles. You see in UFC they use gloves. They're very small gloves, but they do use gloves. Boxing, they use even bigger gloves. Bare knuckle fighting, they use just their fists. And EBET has actually been the ring sponsor of Saturday's bare knuckle fighting championship, and it was held at Wembley Stadium, so they have a little partnership going now. So that's some more good news going on with EBET stock. But now I want to go into some of the financials here. As you can see, their performance outlook is green for the short term, green for the midterm, and sideways for the long term, which is good to see from Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance has some good insights, and they do some like little performance outlooks here. A bearish pattern is detected by them, but that's just because we were up at $2.49, and that was a bit unprecedented. But obviously, if that short squeeze can occur, I'm assuming this would then detect a bullish pattern. But yeah, other than that, we can see here their income has gone up tremendously. You can see their total revenue is now at about 58 million. Before, they were barely making any money, I believe about $164,000. So they started making a lot more revenue in the past year. In terms of their balance sheet, over the past year, their balance sheet has gotten a lot better. They have $68 million in total assets now, only 14 million the year before, and then total liability is about 47 million. They do have more debt now, but that just comes as you get more assets, and you get more money as a result of your stock going up or down, or reaching out to other investors. So yeah, they're looking pretty good on their balance sheet, and their income statement is looking pretty good as well. Now getting into the technical analysis, you can see here that this is over the last day. In the pre-market, it just went up a ton, and then at market open, it shot up from about $1.40 all the way to at one point over $2.50. Ever since then, we have been coming back down, and you can see the MACD has been trending up, but it looks like it's about to start trending down once again. And then also our MACD, our RSI is at 71, which is still overbought at the moment. But I'm assuming over the next day or two, we're gonna come back down to earth. We're gonna settle down in between the $1.20 and $1.40 area. So I wouldn't be buying exactly right now, but as soon as it gets there, it settles down, the MACD starts trending back up, the RSI is at a better level, maybe 40 to 50 range. I'm assuming that we're gonna start leveling out, and then we could have a possible short squeeze and make a crap ton of money in the next coming days. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for, is for EBET to come back down to $1.20, $1.40 area, and then bounce back up and short squeeze maybe to the $3 area. So there's going to be a lot of opportunity from anywhere from 100 to 300% gains if that short squeeze were to occur. Either way, anything above $1 for EBET, I'm thinking of as a pretty good buy zone for myself, at least. You can let me know what you think of that in the comment section below. But yeah, make sure you guys join our Discord with the first link in the description. You're going to be able to get a free week of premium, and then after that, you can pay for the services if you like them, and I can assure you that you will like these services. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for the video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. We'll come at you guys with some more videos here soon.